In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Grubhub tablet to printer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a compatible printer with your Grubhub tablet. You will be able to print out any orders issued through the app on your tablet, and you will be able to make sure that they are done with more accuracy. So if you have a Grubhub provided tablet, you can set up automatic printing with one of the Star Micronics models below. So as you can see, the Star Micronics TSP100 III series, which is a wireless printer, the Star Micronics TSP143 III-BI, which is Bluetooth, and finally Star Micronics TSP143 III LAN, which is Ethernet only. Regardless of the model, all of these three will be able to print your orders, either wirelessly, through Bluetooth, or through an Ethernet cable. So first, if you have the LAN model, you will need to plug it directly into the Wi-Fi router via an Ethernet cable, and then connect the Grubhub provided tablet to the same network. In there, open the application, go over to settings, and choose the option to add printer. You will now be able to print these receipts automatically by selecting yes under auto print receipts and choose the number of copies to print. If you have a Wi-Fi printer, first you will have to press the pair button until the LED flashes blue. Next, press the WSP button off the access point or router. When this is done, a connection will be established. The LED on the printer will stop blinking and stay lit. Once this connection is done, you will once again be able to go over to the Grubhub tablet, open the application, tap on these three lines to open the menu, settings, received printer, and you will be able to add a new printer. Once you select the corresponding model, you will be able to test or disconnect it and start printing. You can do it automatically or manually issue for an order to be printed. And if you have the Bluetooth model, all that you have to do is connect it over Bluetooth to your device. So go to settings, Bluetooth, and repeat the same process to add the printer through the application. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Grubhub tablet to printer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.